Hi guys, Harry here from the Motor Yacht department here at Berthon. Behind us we have an Elling E4, she's 2017 and she's on our brokerage for sale. Let's take a look on board. Right, here we have it. This is ROSINA, the beautiful Elling E4. Built by Neptune Marine in the Netherlands in 2017. Just stepping on board stern bathing platform and going straight up the 4 steps into the cockpit. We're going to have a look around the outside and then go inside to the accommodation. As you can see, there's a big teak side decks and foredeck. Really great for a big sun pad cushion. Just wandering back down the side decks to have another look into the cockpit, where you will find a big bench to aft and a large table for dining. Really helpful fender storage either side. An awning that comes out and covers the whole area and more storage underneath a further bench. In here at the helm section, we have a big, large sliding roof, a wraparound sofa, which was reupholstered in 2021. And then over to the helm, we have a wing engine throttle, main D8, Volvo Penta throttle, twin axiom, pro plotters, and various other equipment. Down into the saloon, large dining area, large table, really great for dining, large open space. Into the galley, again, lots of worktop space, lots of natural light coming through, really great condition. And we're going to start in the first of 3 cabins. This is the master. Again, really lovely woodwork throughout, lots of natural light. We have an ensuite through here with a separate shower, basin, and of course, toilet, and a separate crystal clear door there. Back through into the galley, full-size fridge freezer, 4-burner hob, oven. Extra seating over to port. Another view over and into the bunk cabin. Again, used as storage at the moment, and the front sun pad cushions are there with the outside stern seating too. Now into the VIP, again a large double berth, separate seating, wardrobe and lots of natural light. Into the day heads, where you'll find again a separate shower, toilet and separate basin with a crystal clear glass door. Walking back up into the deck saloon, where you'll have a look at that upholstery, and back into the cockpit. Down the stairs. Big, large bathing platform, really great for a nice tender. And there we have it. This is ROSINA, available on the Motor Yacht brokerage at Berthon.